Rawat, the Congress now outgoing Chief Minister of Uttarakhand until yesterday, has moved the High Court in Nainital against the imposition of President's rule in the state. 9 rebel lawmakers of the Congress who scripted the crisis are also expected to go to court. They are challenging their disqualification yesterday by the Uttarakhand Assembly Speaker. President's rule was imposed in Uttarakhand a day before the crucial trust vote in the State Assembly was scheduled. Siddharth Pandey now joining us live from Dehradun. Siddharth, you have some MLAs with you, or at least you have the latest information about what they're planning?
Well, let me just show you what's happening here, Amitabh. We are in fact outside the governor's house, and if you can just pan and show you, and these in fact are the MLAs who are supporting Harish Rawat. They're saying 34 MLAs in all actually making their way to the governor's house. They're saying that if they were allowed to actually go ahead with that floor test today, then Harish Rawat's government would have survived. So they're in fact making that point here before the governor himself. You can just see this huge convoy of cars. They've actually driven here from Harish Rawat's residence here in Dehradun. They're actually walking in. Those are the gates of Raj Bhavan governor's house here, and they will be actually literally parading themselves before the governor to show that we had the numbers. And what essentially happened here is what the Congress has described has been a murder of democracy. So in fact, the Congress MLAs, those at least loyal to Harish Rawat, the majority of the Congress MLAs, along with the independents, the PDF, members of the PDF, they are saying that roughly 34 MLAs are out here, and they are all going to be marching into governor's house here in Dehradun to prove that Harish Rawat definitely had the numbers. What's also interesting to of course note is the fact that the house has not been dissolved. It's been put in suspended animation. That means that of course at some future date, when anyone can say that they have the numbers, then perhaps a government can be formed. So that's going to be interesting to see. But right now these are the scenes unfolding just out here in Dehradun, where Harish Rawat, along with all the MLAs who support him, have come calling on the governor, and they are literally parading their numbers in front of the governor, saying that he had the numbers. He should have been allowed to show his strength in the house, and that's something that they weren't allowed to do. But they are hoping to, of course, impress upon the governor that they very much have the numbers here in Uttarakhand.